What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can do port forwarding using the TP-Link router and can access your locally hosted website or web server from all over the world or over the internet. So without talking too much, let's get started. So guys, if now I open my browser and navigate to a locally hosted website, and I'm using Apache for doing this, and the IP address of that web server virtual machine is 168.0.110. And here you can see I had a Apache web server hosted in this IP address. And now if I type portchecker.co, and here I select the HTTP port for 80, and if I click here check, you can see the port number is closed, and this is my public IP address. Now if I copy this IP address and paste it on my browser, you can see it redirecting me to my Wi-Fi router. I'm gonna set this web server into this IP address. So let me show you how to do that. You have to go into your Wi-Fi router admin panel. Okay. Now from here in the left hand side you will get an option called forwarding. Click here, and here you will get an option called virtual server. Now click here and click on add new. Now this Apache web server are hosted in my virtual machine and the port is 80. So I'm gonna type here service port 80. Then I will type this IP address. So 192.168.0.110, and the internal port will be 80. And for the protocol I'm gonna select the TCP and status will be enabled. And if you want to set up the common service port, you can select it from here. Let's say it is HTTP. So if I select HTTP, it will automatically fill up this form. Now if I click on save, and now you can see the 80 port is forwarded to this IP address, and this is a virtually hosted web server like this. Now if I again visit to portchecker.co and copy my public IP address, and if I click on check, now you can see here the port 80 is open. That means our port forwarding working very well. And now if I visit this public IP address in my browser, you can see now it redirected to this web server. And like this you can easily do port forwarding into your TP-Link Wi-Fi router and can access your locally hosted website from all over the world or over the internet. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.